this is Mr. Hain bringing you guys another video. Glad to see you. All right, so our topic for today is locomotor skills. Now, locomotor skills is when you move your body in certain ways from one space to another. So for example, if you were in a gym, it would be moving your body from one side of the gym to the other side of the gym in some type of movement. Now, there is a difference between locomotor skills and non-locomotor skills, and we will cover that in the next video. But right now, we're gonna cover the top 8 locomotor skills. In order of difficulty, we have walking, running, jumping, hopping, leaping, sliding, skipping, and galloping. Before we start these 8 skills, we first need to talk about the space that you will be moving in. And you do have options. Option number 1, first we have cups, regular plastic cups. Don't get your parents' glass cups, especially not their nice china. Regular glass cups will work, or Dixie cups. And you're gonna take these cups and you're gonna lay them on the ground in a rectangle shape. So I have one here, 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 and here, and that is going to be my rectangle. And if I want to practice moving in a small space, all I have to do is move around my rectangle to do so. Option number 2 is if you have a space in your house where you are close to the video and you can listen to the music and watch the video, you can do it there, such as a big room. You don't need to worry about the cups. And option number 3 would just be a very large space that you have, such as a gym. Any 3 of these options will work. All right, boys and girls, our first example is walking. So I'm going to start walking counterclockwise or clockwise, and it's just a nice, slow pace around my 4 cups. When you hear the music, you will start walking. I want you to come back when the music is done. Ready, set, cue the music. Okay, great job with locomotor skill number 1. Now we got number 2, which is going to be jogging or running. So we have some cues. Now remember, cues are those helpful words that tell you how to do something. So your cues are for running or jogging. It's gonna be right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, hands by your chest. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, hands by your chest. When the music starts, you can start. When the music stops, come on back. Ready, set, go. Great job, guys. Now we're working on locomotor skill number 3, which is going to be jumping. So to start jumping, you're going to keep your feet relatively close together, in line with each other. You're going to bend those knees. You're going to take your hands, you're going to make some fists out in front, almost like you're sitting on an invisible chair. You're going to take those hands and you're going to start swinging them back and forth. Okay? When you swing up, your legs extend. When you swing up, your legs extend. And jump, 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 jump. Ready? Wait for the music. Here it comes. Locomotor skill number 4 is hopping. Very similar to jumping, except you're gonna do it on one foot. So you're gonna take that foot, almost act like a flamingo. You're gonna bend it up so that your foot is close to your knee. You're gonna take those fists, you're gonna start swinging them again. Hop, hop, hop. All of your power is coming from the swing of your fist in the air. It's causing momentum, which makes it easier. Wait for the music. Ready, set, go. next locomotor skill is going to be a slide. Now a slide, we're going to start wide base. Wide base means your feet are very wide apart on the floor so that you have a good sense of balance. And then you're gonna bend your knees. You're gonna take your hands, you're gonna put them out to the sides. Now, the goal is to get this foot really close to this foot. This is my left and maybe your right. You're either gonna take your right or left foot and you're just gonna slide it on the ground, touch the other one. Now this foot's gonna slide back out. This foot, it's gonna catch back up with it. And this foot's gonna move. All of a sudden, we're sliding. Now, when you are sliding, you'll have a little bob moving up and down. That's okay. I'm doing it around my rectangle cups. But if you have an open space, go for it. When the music starts, you can start. Ready, set, go. Boys and girls, our next skill is going to be leaping. Now, what I did is I took the cups and the 4 cups, 1, 2, 3, 4 that you made a rectangle with on the floor. I took those and I moved them and made them a straight line because what you're gonna do is you're gonna leap over them, which is a type of jump. You're going to lift with one foot for your jump, and the foot that you jump with or lift with, my left foot, it's really important that you land with the opposite foot, and that's what makes it a leap. So again, run. If I jump with my left, I'm going to land with my right. Or just the opposite, if I jump with my right, I'm going to land with my left. All right, so that's 60 seconds. Music is gonna start now. Ready, set, go. Our last locomotor skill for today is going to be galloping. Now galloping, you're going to start with a step, but instead of walking where you're going to step and then take your back foot over the foot you just stepped with, instead of doing that, you're going to step and you're simply going to catch this foot up to the back of the foot you stepped with. I stepped with my right foot and I'm always going to lead with my right foot. So the next one will be right foot. Left foot is trying to catch up, right foot, left foot is trying to catch up. And you can switch feet and you can start with your left foot. This one you don't have to worry about swinging your arms up. And you're simply galloping without your feet ever crossing each other. The one in the back always stays in the back, and the one in the front always stays in the front. Wait for the music. Ready, set, go. Great job with today's activity, guys. You did an amazing job. So let's review what we learned today or what we practiced. We had 8 locomotor skills that we practiced today. Remember, locomotor means moving from one place to another place within space. Those 8 locomotor skills that we practiced today were walking, running, jumping, hopping, leaping, sliding, skipping, and galloping. Next lesson, when you come back, we're going to practice the difference between locomotor and non-locomotor. You have this video to go back to anytime you want to keep that practice up. Until the next time, guys.